Okay, so with a new feature in ElevenLabs, it is now possible to transform your low resolution and choppy videos into something with higher resolution and also a lot smoother. Now, this is not the best way to improve your video, but this is something that you can do quite easily in ElevenLabs. So let me show you how you can use this upscaling feature. Let's open ElevenLabs.io. And let's log into your account. So make sure that you are using the paid version of this platform. This feature is not available if you're using the free plan, so make sure to use at least the starter plan in ElevenLabs to enjoy this upscaling feature. Now let's navigate to image and video. This is still a new feature, at least when I'm recording this video. So here you can generate some videos, but again the focus is to improve a video quality. Let's click this button and let's open the category for upscaling. Right now, unfortunately, there's only one model, which is Topaz Labs. This is a very popular model. It is not the best, but it is something that is available in ElevenLabs. It is also fast and quite cheap. So right here, I'm going to upload my own video. So the video look like this. I got it from YouTube, and this is not necessarily a low resolution video, but I think I'm going to make it a bit sharper, and perhaps we can improve the FPS or the frames of this video, because that's also something that you can do with this upscaling tool. Okay, so basically just wait for the video to be uploaded, and here there are a few settings that you can customize. Right now, you can change the upscaling factor. There is the option from 1.25 up to 4 times of the original quality of the video. So generally speaking, I think it is not a good idea to pick a resolution that is much higher than the original video, because if you select that, then the video is going to be a bit smoother. So one example is this video that I've shown you earlier. This is the first video on YouTube. It is choppy, it is blocky, not the best quality, but I upscale it 4 times, and that's why the next video seems to be, well, smoother, but it is also kind of losing some details. So that's why you might want to be a bit more conservative as selecting the setting for the upscaling factor. So in this case, I'll just use maybe 1.5. So it is not significant, and you can also select the aspect ratio, or not the aspect ratio, the frame rates of the video. So just select 60, and that's going to be a lot smoother. Now, interestingly, it doesn't matter what setting you're using, because it will still consume the same amount of credits. And by the way, make sure that video is less than 30 seconds, otherwise it cannot be processed. So that's one major limitation of this tool. But anyway, let's send the message, or let's generate the video, and just wait for a couple minutes for this AI tool for Topaz Video Upscale model to transform or upscale the video. So I'll be back and I'll show you the comparison before and after the upscaling process. Okay, so finally it is done. It took about, I believe, 3 minutes to finish the task. And basically, you can open the video and you can do lots of things with this AI tool in ElevenLabs. You can recreate the video, you can, extend the video, etc. But you can also just download that video to your computer. Now, I have downloaded this item to my computer, so let's compare it with the original video. So I have this tool that let me compare multiple items, and this is the original video, and this is the upscaled version. Okay, so let me just play both videos and let's compare them together. I think using slider is much more reasonable. Okay, so this is original, the upscaled version. Now, you probably cannot see it, but I can tell that the upscaled video is a lot sharper and a lot smoother than the original video. So this is low resolution. This is a lot sharper. Yeah, again, I think you cannot really see that on a YouTube video because of the compression, but I can honestly tell that this video, the result is a lot better, it's a lot smoother and sharper than the original video. So yeah, I would say this tool is amazing. You can definitely use ElevenLabs to upscale low resolution or low frame rate video using the Topaz Labs model. So yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.